City lights on their faces, young hearts in the glow, asking all the questions we forgot to know. Why do we keep running from the love we crave? Why do we build the walls we're begging them to save? And they move like quiet thunder, soft but never weak. Every truth they're holding is the one we couldn't speak. Is it just human nature to fall and rise again, to break a little deeper, then learn to love the pain? Oh, this new generation, they feel the world so true. If this is human nature, then they're the best of me and you. They don't hide their feelings, they don't fear the rain. They turn their wounds to wisdom, they turn their loss to flame. They're gentle with their anger, they're honest with their tears. They're everything we wanted, but we're too afraid to be for years. And they shine like open windows, letting all the light come through. Every dream they're chasing is a dream we never knew. Is it just human nature to fall and rise again, to break a little deeper, then learn to love the pain? Oh, this new generation, they feel the world so true. If this is human nature, then they're the best of me and you. Maybe they're the answer to the questions we deny. Maybe they're the reason the world still wants to try. Maybe they're the heartbeat we forgot to hear. Maybe they're the future standing right here. Is it just human nature to fall and rise again, to break a little deeper, then learn to love the pain? Oh, this new generation, they feel the world so true. If this is human nature, then they're the best of me and you. Best of me